Hi guys, this is Mike from Keyso. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up KP25 handheld laser marking machine. This is how it looks like after you open the package. It includes main machine, laser head, power cable, and bracket. Plug the power cable. Fix the bracket by screw. You may adjust the height of the bracket to get the best focus distance. Now plug the power cable. Turn on the main switch. Release the emergency button. The key switch is for the laser power. Before you set up everything, you can turn off the laser. This is the touch panel, and this is a USB port for U-Disc. The format of U-Disc should be FAT32. Now go to Settings and change the language as you need. Now let's start with test. You can input anything here. You can add a test, date, time. You can add it by the keyboard as you like. By those 4 arrows, you can adjust the position of the test. And here we can set the position and the size of the content. We can zoom in or zoom out there. Now go to Fill. It's similar as EasyCAD or Keyso CAD. Just check Enable and choose the fill type you need. Set the line space as you need. Change angle if you need. You need to check this overall calculation for QR code or complicated content. Now it is filled. And then check QR code. We can add the content of QR code. We can change the type of QR code there. And change the mode of QR code as you like. Change the size of the QR code as you like. And go to Fill, Enable Fill, and check this overall calculation. We can also export DXF or JPG format file from the U-Disc. Just plug your U-Disc and go to Files. Choose the files you need and import. Now let's switch to cleaning mode. Go to Settings, System, Advanced. Check this cleaning mode enable. And then go back. Go back to Home and you can choose different cleaning mode. And click the Clean button in the top right of the screen. We need to press the button in the laser head to start work. Press again and got a different shape for different cleaning mode. And this is mark. Click mark and press the button to start mark. Okay, that's pretty much of it. See you next video.